Today, I'll show you how to back up your Protonmail account so you're protected if you ever lose access or forget your password. We're going to walk through Protonmail's built-in recovery kit step by step, and I'll explain what's happening as we go so you know exactly what you're saving and why it matters. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. It's always best to do this on a trusted device and a secure network like your home Wi-Fi rather than public internet, since you'll be dealing with sensitive account settings. Once you're logged in and looking at your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon, which is Protonmail's shortcut to the settings area. Click on this gear icon to open the quick settings panel. From that panel, look for the option that lets you open all settings. It might be labeled something like all settings or go to settings. Click that. This will take you out of the quick menu and into the full settings dashboard, where you can adjust everything related to your account. Inside the settings, we're interested in the section related to security and recovery. Find and click on the option labeled Recovery. The name may vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for anything that clearly refers to account recovery or safeguarding your account. Once you're in the recovery area, you'll see tools Protonmail provides to help you regain access if something goes wrong, like if you forget your password or lose a device. Here, look for a button or link that says Safeguard Account Now. Go ahead and click that. What this does is guide you through Protonmail's recommended steps to secure your account and create a backup that you can use later if you're locked out. Think of this like creating a safety net that only you control. After you click Safeguard Account Now, you should see an option to download your recovery kit. This is the key part of your Protonmail backup. The recovery kit usually contains important information or keys that can help you restore access to your account depending on Protonmail's current security model. Click Download Your Recovery Kit. Your browser may ask you where you want to save the file, or it might automatically place it in your default downloads folder. Before you confirm, think carefully about where you store this file. It should be somewhere secure and private, ideally not on a shared computer. Many people choose an encrypted external drive or a secure password manager that can store files. Once you've chosen a safe location, confirm the download. Now click Download to start saving the file to your device. Wait for the download to complete, and then double check that the file is actually present where you expected it to be. You may also want to make a second secure copy, for example, on a backup drive that you keep in a safe place. But remember, anyone with this file and the right information could potentially use it, so treat it like you would a physical key. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Protonmail recovery kit by going to protonmail.com, opening the settings with the gear icon, choosing all settings, navigating to the recovery section, safeguarding your account, and downloading your recovery kit. Keeping this file safe and accessible to you is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your Protonmail account for the long term.